Sattvic food experiment. Just experiment for 3 months with sattvic diet. Consuming a diet which has vibrations of hurt, anger, violence, death cannot create purity and peace in my mind. What is the vibration of tamasic food? What will be the vibration? Don't just check the nutrients of your diet, check the vibrations of your diet. Jaisa anna, vaisa man. We are what we eat. So we are what we eat doesn't mean my body is what I eat. It means I am what I eat. The food influences my mind. The animal in the slaughterhouse, 15 days, 1 month, has created vibrations of hatred, hurt, pain, aggression, resentment, after that violence and then death. And वो हमारी प्लेट पे आता है और हम कहते हैं proteins. It is proteins, but what's the vibration? You can get proteins with high energy vibrations also. So think about it. And then experiment it. 3 months sattvic diet. Another experiment. Start eating more at home. Start eating home cooked food. Never ever say, I don't have time to cook. All the money you earn cannot bring happiness to family, but 15 minutes you go into the kitchen and cook for your family can give happiness to your family. Because if you cook for your family and you radiate those beautiful vibrations to the food, you're going to give happiness to your family because the food will affect the mind. हम किसके हाथ का खाना खाते हैं, किस environment में बना हुआ खाना खाते हैं, that influences the mind of the person who's going to consume the food. If you don't know who's cooking for you, it's risky. It's risky. Then you meditate, you do everything, and then someone cooks for you who's very, very upset today, and you will have that food and they say, पता नहीं मेरे को क्या हुआ, मेरा mood क्यों खराब हो गया? जिस दिन भी मूड खराब हो ना बिना रीजन के, just stop and check किधर खाना खाया था आज. There's the answer is there. It's there. So be very, very careful where you're eating, what you're eating, and where you are eating, who's cooked for you. And even then, if you have to eat out sometimes, then just before eating, and in fact, always before eating, take that 30-second pause, connect to God, radiate a high energy vibration to your food, energize your food, put in your affirmation that you have selected for yourself, and only then start eating. अपने खाने को पहले प्रसाद बनाएं, फिर खाना खाएं. So if you have chosen an affirmation, I am a peaceful being, I am peaceful in every situation, then put that affirmation in your every meal. Put that affirmation in your every glass of water. Water absorbs vibrations. And that's why water is such an important part of every ritual. क्या करते हैं पानी के साथ हम? पहले हम क्या करते थे खाना खाने से पहले? ऐसे पानी लेते थे, उस पानी में एक मंत्र बोलते थे और फिर वो पानी को उस खाने पे क्या करते थे? What is this doing? I'm energizing the water and then using that energized water to energize the food. पहले हम ऐसा करते थे. अभी हम क्या करते हैं? खाना लेते हैं, एक हाथ में फोन रखते हैं, दूसरे हाथ में टीवी का रिमोट कंट्रोल रखते हैं, खाना खाते हैं. Just one lifestyle change can shift me from happy to stressed. Make it a culture at home. No TV while eating. No TV while eating. Don't allow your mind or your food to absorb what's going on across the television screen. Nothing very happy is happening there. Whether it's news, whether it's serial, whether it's movie, energies are different. 10 minutes of dinner and then TV time. Not TV with dinner. Should we talk during dinner? Only happy talk. No problem talk. No problem conversations. No arguments. It will become from 50 to 60 if we do that. Because jaisa anna vaisa man. But because dinner time is one of the only time with the whole family sits together, everyone talks about all their problems of the day. बोलो खाना खा लो फिर बात करेंगे. No conversations of issues, problems, no business meetings with lunch. Lunch and then meeting. What is the difference? What's the difference? Meeting with lunch and then meeting. What's the difference? You are not radiating any wrong conversations to your food. It's khana. You have to be very, very careful. कर सकते हैं 10 minutes meal time, my time? कर सकते हैं 10 minutes meal time, my time? Yes? हाँ जी? हाँ जी? सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जो high energy है. We all know what is high energy and what is low energy. खाना खा रहे हैं बीच में कोई फोन आ गया, कोई और बात करने लग गए. इधर से खा रहे हैं, इधर से फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं. Khana is not some side product which has to be done. Khana is the most important thing. It's meal time. It doesn't just nourish my body, it energizes my mind. Make it your ritual of the day. Don't grab a bite. ये vocabulary अच्छी नहीं है. ऐसे पकड़ते हुए भागते भागते ड्राइव करते हुए, this is not खाना खाने का तरीका. हम भी ऐसे करते हैं, फिर वो छोटे बच्चे भी ऐसे करते हैं. कभी भी खड़े होके बाहर देखना चाहिए. When the parents are taking their kids to the school bus, देखा है वो सीन कभी? यहाँ से बॉटल गिरती है, वहां से बैग गिरता है, हाथ में वो परांठा होता है, वो बच्चा भी भागता है, वो बैग पीछे भागता है, पेरेंट भागता, उसको बस में ऐसा. And then we are saying, why are children not able to concentrate nowadays? Why have they become so hyper? एक जगह बैठते क्यों नहीं है ये? ऐसे कैसे बैठेंगे? We are sending them to study. How should the mind be? How should the mind be? Calm, peaceful. But for that, my mind will have to be that way. So I need to wake up early. Then I will wake them up early and I will send them to school in the most energized, peaceful, calm manner. And then you see how their performance will shift. But most important, their mind will shift. We're not doing it for our performance. We're doing it for our happiness and health. So sattvic khana, and most important, the right way of khana. 20-second pause before your every meal and every glass of water. Mineral water bottle may be clean, but it has a lot of vibrations. Don't just as a khola or pilia. Pause. 20 seconds. I am a peaceful being. My body is healthy. Dal do. And phir khate jao. Anyone practicing this every single day, there's no way that you will not see the result. ये तो होना ही होना है. होना ही होना है. It's a destiny that we are going to create. So the program starts from tomorrow morning. Don't say, yeah, we are going back, program is over. Say, we are going back because now the program starts. We're going back to translate what we have experienced into our real life. And then we will create that white aura and carry that white aura throughout the day. And then we will become instruments to not just change our life, but also to shift the world. There's a lot of pain and strife in the world. There is a lot of pain and strife in the world. You wouldn't even know the colleague sitting next to you what's going on in their family. आपको पता नहीं होगा. But just by you being calm and peaceful, you would be radiating that peace to him for 8 hours while he's sitting next to you. कितनी बड़ी सेवा है. ये दान होता है. ये दान होता है. And you'll be sending your colleague peaceful in the evening. Simple? Simple? इसमें से कोई चीज difficult? Anything which cannot be done? Everything can be done? Yes? And it's easy? And it's practical? And it can be done when we are back at work? That's it. संकल्प कर लिया तो सिद्ध तो होना ही होना है.